repair. Today I'm starting a new project. What I got here is a men's 26-inch All Pro vintage 12-speed. First thing I'm going to do is go over the frame, see if there's any cracking or any damage. Because if the frame is damaged, then there's no use in restoring the bike. So here we go. First thing I do is check over the joints on the frame, see if there's any cracking. Just check it all over. While I'm going through the joints, I check the condition of the frame, see if there's any dents. I'm obviously going to paint it. I'm not sure what color yet. Check all the joints. Okay, so far so good. Check the overall condition of the frame. It's pretty good. Torque. Okay, the frame looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and restore it. So I'll get back with the next step, and we'll go from there. Talk to you later. Have a good one.